Welcome back to Add Art. Today's tutorial was requested for a little lad called Charlie by his dad Paul. Now Paul is a captain of a big ship and he thought Charlie would like to learn how to draw a sea lion he once saw in Alaska. So that's what we're going to do. Now, before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when I've released something new. But pens and paper at the ready, as we're about to set sail. First we'll begin by drawing the sea lion's back, up towards its head, and then down towards the nose. Bring that all the way round for a smile. Put the cheeks in, put its eye in, and a pupil looking out towards the boat. Little eyebrow, nose, and then some dots for whiskers. Now let's put those ears in that make it different from a seal. In the bottom of the jaw. And let's bring this down towards its back flippers. Now unlike seals, they use all 4 flippers to walk across land. Remember, if I am going a little bit fast, you can always pause the video, catch up and then hit play. Let's bring the rest of the body round here towards the front flippers, and they use these to swim through the water, and apparently seals use their back flippers to propel themselves. Big belly there, probably full of fish. They also eat squid and octopus. Let's put that back flipper in. Now we'll have this front flipper up as though it's waving. Let's put an iceberg in for this Alaskan sea lion here. Of the water here, the waves just lapping up against it. Just bring that down, put this kind of glassy sheen on it. Now we can put another iceberg in the distance here. And apparently, sea lions can't breathe underwater, but they can hold their breath for 20 minutes, which is quite remarkable. Bring the horizon line in here. Another little iceberg floating in the distance. You can put some waves in. Bring this across towards the boat. Bring the front of it up there and across. It kind of comes down and back towards the rear. Again, we'll put some waves, placing it in the water there. Bring the second deck up. Across. Bring that all the way across here. This at an angle just underneath. We'll put 4 portholes in. A couple of windows to look out at the beautiful Alaskan scenery. Top deck of this boat in. Just jutting out at the back. Now it needs lots of navigational equipment. So I'll put an aerial in there. These kind of ball things, I presume they're for radar. Okay, some more waves. We'll put another iceberg in here. Now apparently most of the time sea lions can swim at 11 miles per hour, but they can swim up to 25 miles per hour, which is really quick. And they have 34 to 38 strong teeth, which they use to catch the food, but they don't chew their food, they swallow it whole. Let's put Captain Paul on the deck of the boat there. Give him a captain's hat. Put his arm outstretched and he's waving back at the seal and at Charlie. Let's put some wave lines in there and just by the flipper. And there we have it. There is our Alaskan seal and Captain Paul on his boat. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today, Charlie. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.